So what I'm missing on this trailer is a easy access, lightweight anchor points. I put these boards down and I blocked off being able to clamp from the rail. I got these eye bolts. Take some of these bolts out, replace them with eye bolts. And I got 7 of them, 3 on each side, 1 in the front. Yeah, I mean, I think that'll work. It's not, so you gotta, if you're gonna do this also, just watch it. These aren't rated for a ton of weight. Like they're strong, but you don't want to be like, you don't want to be towing any heavy equipment or anything like, you know, serious with that, but you're probably gonna have a different trailer for that anyway. Yeah, so just know there are limits and use as many of them as you can. That'll help, you know, distribute that load. And but for this one, if it's something real heavy, I'll wrap down under. I'll get underneath the frame and wrap it back around. So just know the limitations of these eye bolts. Anyway, I like my trailer. All right. Dogs want to go home. Let's clean up and head home.